Welcome to the ACE Online, and now we are in ACE Preparation League, okay, in SSC preparation. Okay, friends. Now, topic is mensuration. Already we are mentioned mensuration weightage for SSC CGL, minimum 2 marks and maximum 3 marks. In our yesterday video also, minimum 2 and maximum 3. Overall, plane geometry and mensuration 5 to 6 marks weightage. Okay. And mensuration, okay, 2 to 3, minimum 2 and maximum 3. This video is helpful to you, maximum, not only for SSC CGL, yes, our old students, each and every competitive examination also, we are discussing this concept to maximum, it is repeated for your coming examination, friends. Okay, got my point, friends? Next, mensuration. Okay, mensuration, we have two types actually. Look at, friends, plane figures and solid figures. So plane figure and solid figure, what is the main difference? Everybody knows, but some people, okay, from the SSC CGL, from the 10th to intermediate to graduation, everybody is also available. That's why from the basic to important, observe, friends. So plane figure and solid figure, what is the difference? Suppose this is duster, okay, this is solid figure. So plane figure having only area. Area means it occupies the place. Okay, it occupies the place, like observe, friends. Area, suppose a rectangle or square, what it may be, occupy this place is called area. Okay, solid figures having area and also volume also. So area and some height, okay, some height is also there. This is complete called volume. Okay, that is main difference between the area and volume. Okay, everybody knows, but once again, a small repetition. Okay, so area occupy the place, okay, occupy the place. Volume means including area and how much height it occupy, complete thing. This is volume. Okay, so for plane figures, okay, so for a plane figures, so square, triangle, circle, yesterday we discussed in the video, okay, yesterday. So just a small look, have a small look. Look at, friends, triangles. Yesterday already we discussed each and every diagram. Again, don't waste the time. Okay, observe the complete information. So triangles, quadrilaterals, circle. Okay, circle. Radius, complete means diameter. So D is equal to R plus R. So 2R. Area is equal to pi r square. Okay, perimeter, so 2 pi r. Next, semicircle, r. Okay, so D same 2r only, friends. Area pi r square by 2. Okay, complete circle area pi r square, so half, so by 2. Okay, perimeter, r plus r and pi r. Okay, r plus r and pi r. So pi r plus 2r. Okay, friends. Next, solid figures. So plane figures, yesterday in the plane geometry, we discussed each and every point also. That's a little bit speed. So solid figure meaning 3-dimensional figure, like a cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. This is solid figures. Okay, so solid figures, observe, cuboid, cube and cylinder. These three figures, okay, base one plane figure, top one plane figure, base plane figure, top one plane figure. Join these two plane figures, we are getting one solid figure. Okay, these three figures are having the same rule. Observe here, duster. So top, okay, rectangle, bottom is also rectangle. So top rectangle, bottom rectangle, join the edges, we are getting the cuboid. Okay, so base, okay, square, top is a square, join the edges, we are getting the cube. So base, I mean bottom circle, top is a circle, we are getting the cylinder. Okay, for these three diagrams, we are having some common formulas. Okay, so for solid figures, we have 3 points. Lateral surface area, laterals outside. Okay, lateral surface area, total surface area and volume, complete place occupying volume. Okay, lateral surface area, Suppose a small point, lateral surface area. Observe all of you, this lateral, 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 lateral. Okay, so this lateral L and height LH. This is B and H. Okay, same LH, same BH. So laterals. Total means top area L into B, L into B. Okay, that is total surface area. So that simply meaning, friends, observe. What is the common rules for 3D figures? Okay, we have lateral surface area. Lateral surface area meaning perimeter of the base into height. We are getting laterals. So total surface area, lateral surface area plus top area plus bottom area. Got it? Next, volume. Volume is it occupies complete place. So area of the base and how much height, that is volume. Okay, if you remember these 3 points, no need to by heart the formula. That's why given here. Look at. So here, cube. Okay, cube. So lateral surface area, LSA. Lateral surface area. So cube, length, breadth, height, each and everything is also same. So length, okay, breadth, height is also same. Okay. So what is the perimeter of the base? What is this perimeter of the base? What is the perimeter of the base here? So perimeter. Base is a square. So perimeter 4 into A. Height is also A. So then answer, friends, 4A square. Total surface area. Total surface area. So lateral surface area 4A square. Okay, you can assume in your room. Okay, in your home. A square, A square, A square, A square. Top A square, bottom also A square. Okay, for a room. Okay, so top or bottom same figures. That's why. Okay, so 4A square plus 2 into base area. So A square. That is equal to 6A square. Volume. Volume means area and how much height. That is complete volume. So area of the base and height. So then answer, friends, A cube. Okay, this type we are getting, friends, without by hearting. Okay, once we know the answer formula, then not a problem. Okay, in case you don't know, for these 3 diagrams, lateral surface area, okay, and height, that is lateral surface area. I mean, lateral surface area is equal to perimeter of the base and height. So total means lateral surface area plus top area plus bottom area. Volume means area of the place and how much height it occupied. So that is volume. Okay, next. So already we know the point, that's why written directly. Lateral surface area. Okay, 2 into L plus B and H. Total surface area. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, volume, area of the base LB, height is H. Height is H, LBH. Okay, next. For the cylinder base circle, top is also circle. Lateral surface area, perimeter 2 pi r, okay, 2 pi r H. Next, total surface area, okay, total surface area, pi r square, 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r, r plus H. Volume, base area, pi r square, height H. Okay, this type of formula, friends. Okay, for these 3. In case if you know the formula, directly you know the directly we are applying. Observe. Next, for cone, I write in directly. Curved surface area pi r L, total surface area pi r into L plus R. Okay, so volume 1/3 pi r square H. Next solid figure, sphere. So sphere, I mean ball. Okay, ball. So total surface area, there is no, okay, circumference area, I mean there is no laterals. Completely total surface area 4 pi r square. Volume 4/3 pi r cube. Hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere having lateral surface area. Okay, so lateral curved surface area 2 pi r square. Total surface area 3 pi r square. Volume 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, no? Next. Observe paths. Okay, path. Suppose in our villages or anywhere also, you are constructed one house. You maintain the some gap and again you are constructed the compound wall. The gap is called path. Okay, observe. This is original. You are maintaining the some gap. Okay, you are maintaining some gap and you can make the compound wall or anything. This is called width. Okay, width. Width. So what is the new L? Now what is the new L here? Small, old L and this W and this W. So 2W. Breadth also, okay, new breadth, okay, small b plus 2W. I want to outside path area. I want outside path area, this area. I need this area. I want outside path area, okay, outside path area. Simply answer, friends. So outer rectangle area minus inner rectangle area. Outer rectangle, so L into B minus LB. So L plus 2B, L plus 2W, B plus 2W minus L into B. Okay, so LB, LB, 2WL, 2WB plus 4W square minus L into B. LB cancel. Okay, so here 2W common, L plus B plus 2W. This is outside path area. Okay, this is the proof. In case you don't know anything also, you can prove like this also. I want to say that point. That's why I proved here. Okay, second one not necessary directly. Okay, this is original. Now inside path area. Inside, I am taking the gap inside. So 2W, L plus B minus 2W. Next, mid path area. Mid path area, W into L plus B minus W. This is only rectangle shape. Suppose circle shape, what happened? Observe, area of the outside path. Okay, area of the outside path. This is small r. This is big R. I want this outside path area. Then simply answer, so pi r square minus pi r square. Pi r square means pi r square. Okay, friends. Next. Two more points. Then over then introduction. Circle. Center. This is arc. Completely it is called a sector. Okay. I want this sector area. Okay. In a complete circle, this is one piece. Simply you can assume this is one piece. Okay. What is this piece area? Sector area meaning. So what is this piece area? Okay. So here angle theta. What is this theta? Out of circle angle always equal to 360 degrees, you know. So out of the 360, this theta value, okay, theta by 360. Area of the circle, pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. That is the logic, friends. Okay, next. In a circle, observe. Chord, center, sector, white color, observe friends, white color, this is sector. Okay, chord. I want this area, okay, I want this part area, I want this part. This is called, friends, segment. Segment. I want the segment area. Okay. I want segment area means simply logic. The sector area minus, okay, sector area minus this triangle area. Sector area minus triangle area. This is radius, this is also radius. Okay. So sector area, theta by 360, pi r square. Two sides given, theta is also given. Because theta compulsory we need. Okay. Requirement is theta is there. So minus of r square sin theta. This is called segment area. Okay, completed, friends. This is overall about the mensuration introduction briefly. Okay, if you are perfect in a concept, then questions very easy. Okay, suppose directly questions you are not getting everything. That's why. Next, coming to the questions. Observe the question, friends. Each and every question is also, okay, each and every question also previous questions only. Okay, previous question only. You can concentrate last year, before last year. Okay. Observe the first question. If length of rectangle increased, if length of rectangle is increased to, it's 3 times. Okay, length of rectangle is increased 3 times. Okay, L is 3 times increased. It become a 3L. Okay, next. And breadth is decreased to the half. Breadth is half. So by 2. Okay. Then what is the question, friends, here? What is the requirement? What is the requirement? Then the ratio of the area of the given rectangle, ratio of the area of the given rectangle and to the area of the new rectangle. Okay, area of the new rectangle. So given rectangle and the area and the new rectangle area ratio they are asking. So original area, originally L into B is to new. In a new, length increased 3 times. So 3 into L. Breadth is half. Okay, this type of questions, friends. Okay, this type of questions I observed from last 4-5 years papers recently. Okay, recently this type of questions 3-4 times repeated. Old ratio, old area, new area ratio, old volume and new volume ratio. Okay, old and new. This type of question is important. Okay, next LB is to 3 by 2 LB cancel. So 2 is to 3. Okay, friends, 2 is to 3. So what is the option then? Option 2 is the answer, friends. I hope everybody getting. Okay. So here almost, okay, we had a number of questions here. Okay, you can practice these questions also, you are getting the mark. Okay, introduction and concepts. Okay, follow slowly. Okay, no? Next, second one. You can observe the question, friends. 6 spherical copper balls. Okay, 6 spherical copper balls of a radius R. Radius is R. Radius is R. Are melted and cast into the cylinder rod. Cylinder rod of the metal of the same radius. Okay, the height of the rod will be. The height of the rod will be. This type of question also, friends. You can take any small pieces or big pieces or anything also. Okay, you can form the new thing. You can form the new thing. Volume should be always equal. Okay, this type of questions. Okay, suppose you take a small piece, small piece. You can join a very big thing. Okay, their volume and the small pieces together volume always same. Okay, this is one concept. So what is the previous question? Old area, new area ratio. Okay, old volume and new volume ratios. That is one type of concept. Here, second type of concept, you take any diagram, it melted, okay, melted and you can get the new thing, okay. Their volumes should be equal, friends. Okay, their volume should be equal. 6 spherical copper balls, okay, are melted and cast into the cylinder. So, spherical copper balls, sphere, okay. So, 6 into sphere volume, 4/3 pi r cube. Cylinder, radius should be same, okay, radius should be same, pi r square h, okay, so pi cancel, friends, okay, 3 2s are 4 2s are 8 r cube r square h, r square 2 times cancel, remainder is 1. Then simply answer h is equal to 8 into r. H is equal to 8 into r. So height of the rod is 8r. Are you getting the point, friends? Concept, previous old new ratios. Second one, you can melted or joined. The volume should be equal. That is second point. Okay. Next, third concept. Look at, friends. This type of question also, friends. Okay. You can observe the question. This type of question is also 4 times given. Okay. Observe the last 4-5 weeks papers only. 4-5 papers only. So this concept 4 times given. Okay, here also I mentioned 2 questions, so same model. Okay, you are getting this concept again. Observe. The area of the square, okay, the area of the square shaped field is 1764. Square shape, okay, square shape means all sides equal, right? The breadth of the rectangle park is, okay, the breadth of the rectangle park is 1/3 of the side of the square. Okay, 1/3 of the side of the square. Okay, field, the length is 2 times its breadth. The length is 2 times of the breadth. Okay, no? So what is the cost of the leveling the park? Leveling the park. at 15 per meter square. 15 per meter square means area. Okay, per meter square. For the meter square, the amount is 15 rupees per meter square. Meter square means length into breadth. Meter, so square. So per square meter, okay, for a square, 15 rupees. That rectangle part taken how much? That is the question, friends. So first of all, what is the side of the square? Okay, what is the side of the square? This is square. Area. So here, so all sides equal. Area. So a square is equal to 1764. I want a. Root 1764. Okay, root 1764. From this, okay, we know the direct value, but for some people, okay, from the graduate students, intermediate students, okay, plus 2 students, a small point. 1764. 4 fourths 16. 164. 4 double 8. Okay, here you take a one number, here also you take a one number. Okay, I need 164. You take a 2 here, here also you write 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s 16, 164, 0. So what is the value? 42. So side is equal to 42. S is equal to 42. Then what is the requirement here, friends? Observe here. What is the requirement? So the breadth of the rectangle is 1/3 of the side. Okay, breadth is equal to 1/3 of the side. What is the side now? Just now we are getting 42. 3 14s. So breadth is equal to 14. So length is equal to, what is the length here? 2 times of the breadth. 2 times, so 28. Area of the rectangle, so L into B. This is the area, friends. Okay, this is the area. So L into B. So 28 into 14. Okay, 8 14 is 112. 28, 39. 39 square, okay, 39 meter square. So each meter square cost 15. So into 15. So 392. 392 into 15. 15 twos are 30. Okay, 15 nines 135, 138, 13. 15 threes 45. So 58. 5880. 5880, yes. So option B is the right answer, friends. Option B is the right answer. This type of model from the last 4-5 years, they given 3 times. This type of model. You can observe the concept, not a example, not a number. Here concept. So 1 square feet, I mean 1 square meter, I mean meter square. 1 square meter is equal to amount is given. What is the total amount meaning? Area into that amount. That point you can remember, friends. Area into that amount. So area how to calculate? That is depends upon given information. Okay, given information. Suppose it is a square, suppose it is a rectangle, what it may be. Okay, area into that amount. Then we are getting total amount. That point you can remember. Okay, next, 4th point. A triangle, observe, friends. A triangle with altitude h1 and a parallelogram with altitude h2, okay, are constructed on the same base. Okay, same base. So this is the base, parallelogram. There is one triangle existing, same base. Okay, triangle height h1, parallelogram height h2. Okay, no problem. Then what is the condition? Same base, such that their areas are equal. So their areas are equal. I mean triangle area is equal to the parallelogram area. So triangle area. So of base, same base, height h1, parallelogram base h2. Okay, BB cancel. So h1 is equal to h2. This is the concept. So option A, friends. Okay, this type of questions. Next. Okay, here. Just now we discussed the point. Do you remember? path concept, path. Okay, so outside path, inside path, mid path, circle wise, okay, they given the paths. In the same way, for a sphere also, there is a path. Okay, so inside, suppose you can take a ball, tennis ball or what it may be. So inside, okay, circle is different, outside circle is different. Middle, there is some width. Okay, some width is there. You can observe the point here. What is the volume? Okay, what is the volume of the spherical shell? Okay, spherical shell, that cup. Okay, whose inner and outer radius respectively 2 and 3. 2 and 3. They are asking volumes. That's why sphere 4/3 pi r cube minus small r cube. Bus completed. So 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, 3 cube 27 minus 8. Okay, so 4/3 pi 19. 4 19s. Okay, 76/3 pi. 76/3 into pi. Okay, this type of concept. Inner and outer, middle. Okay, the middle some maintain the volume. Okay, so the width of volume of the width means shell means so 4/3 pi r cube minus r cube. Okay, r big R means 3 cube 27 8 19. So 4 19s 76. 76/3 into pi. So this type of concept. Concentrate on concept, not a number and example. Okay, next. Okay, friends. Next. Here, observe the question. 3 equal cubes. 3 equal cubes are placed adjacently. Adjacently means side by side. Okay, side by side. In a row. Find the ratio of the total surface area of the new cuboid. Total surface of the new cuboid of the sum of the surface area of the 3 cubes. Already mentioned. So areas ratio, volumes ratio, this is the model actually. Areas ratio, volumes ratio, that is one model actually. So 3 same cubes, okay, 3 cubes side by side. You can assume like this. Okay, length A. So it formed a cuboid. Then what is the new length? Naya length. Okay, new length. Vasa length. Okay, Naya length. So A. So what is the length here? 3A. But breadth to height should be same. There is no change the height. There is no change the breadth. Okay. So breadth is equal to A. Height is equal to same A. Okay, friends. Now observe the question here. So find the ratio of the total surface area of the new cuboid. So total surface area. So 2 into L into B. L 3A. BA. So 3A square. L into B. BH A square. LH 3A square into is to. Here how many cubes here? 3 equal cubes. 3 into 6 A square. Okay, simplify here, friends. 3A square, 6 and 1, 7A square. So overall 14A square is to 18A square. A square cancel. 2 7s, 2 9s. 7:9 is the answer. So option A is the right answer, friends. Are you getting the concept? Okay, so you are getting the answer, you are satisfied? Not like that. Okay, concept important. Are you getting the concept or not? That is important. Okay, so 3 small cubes or what it may be. So new ratio, old and new ratio. The concept is ratio. Okay, old to new, this type. Melted means volume should be equal. Melted means volume should be equal. Concepts concentrate. Okay, next, friends. Here, last year. Okay, SSC bit. Last year bit. The perimeter of the semicircle. The perimeter of the semicircle is 25.7 centimeter. What is its diameter? They are asking the diameter, D value. So what is the given perimeter? Perimeter 25.7. 2 into R plus pi R. Okay. So 2, here R common. 2 plus pi value, they mentioned 3.14. So R into 5.14, 25.7, left side. You can observe 5.14. So 5.14, 25.7. It is almost 5 times cancel. 5 times. So R is equal to 5. But requirement to diameter. So D is equal to 2 into R. So 2 into 5. That is equal to 10. Okay, 10. So option 3. This type of question. Perimeter. R, pi R. So perimeter. So 2R plus pi R. So R common, you got the value. R is equal to 5, but diameter is 10. Okay, no friends? Okay. Are you getting everything also? Concentrate on the concepts. What is the requirement? What is the given information? You should concentrate. Numbers, okay, not necessary. It may be variable, but concept should be same. Next. This type of problem. In a complete mensuration, you can observe books, okay, any books, okay, whatever in a market, you can observe the books. This type of questions, we have only 5 questions only. For SSC level, okay, for any competitive level, only 5 type of questions, number of times repeated, this type of questions. Inside, outside ratio, outer, inside ratio, okay, same concept. Observe the question. The ratio of the area of the inscribed circle. The ratio of the area of the inscribed circle, inside circle, okay, to the area of the circumscribed circle of an equilateral triangle is. That is the problem, friends. So inside circle, okay, this is small r, radius. This is capital R, okay, capital R. So small circle area and outer circle area ratio is the requirement. Okay. So small circle area pi r square, okay. But a capital R, I need a capital R value. Okay. For this number of methods, so one of the shortest method. Observe here. This is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all angles 60, 60, 60. You know that point. So this is exactly angle bisector. So 30 and 30. 30 and 30. I want hypotenuse, okay, R value. That's why sin 30 I can apply. I am applying the sin 30. Sin 30, opposite to side by hypotenuse. So opposite is a R, hypotenuse is a capital R. Sin 30 of R by capital R. So capital R is equal to 2 into R. Okay, now apply the answer. What is the requirement? The ratio of the area of the inscribed circle pi r square is to pi, outside is pi r square. Okay, pi r square. Pi cancel, r square. So same r square. So capital R, 2r. So 2r whole square. Okay, r square is to 4r square. R square cancel. 1 is to 4, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So what is the option? Option B is the answer, friends. Are you getting everything also, friends? Okay, each and every model. Concentrate the model wise model. So concentration. Next model. Next question. Same, already I mentioned. Okay, this type of question already repeated 3 times from the last 4-5 years I mentioned. Same concept, friends. Same concept. Okay, little bit speed I explain. So observe, the area of the square shaped field is 1764. Okay, 1764. So what is the area? So 1764, side is equal to, so 4 fourths 16, 164, okay, 8, 2 and 2. So then what is the side of the square? 42. Side of the square is 42. Next, okay, 42. The breadth of the rectangular part is 1/6 of the side of the square. 1/6 of side of the square, 1/6. So breadth is equal to 1/6 into 42. 6 7s cancel. So length is equal to, okay, length is equal to 4 times of the breadth. Okay, 4 times. Length is equal to 4 times of the breadth. So 28. Okay. So what is the cost of the leveling the park? 30 per meter, 30 per meter square. 30 per meter square. Same concept. Area into cost. Simply I written area. 7 into 28 into, so 30. Okay. After the simplification, we are getting the same answer. 5880 only. Okay. Once observe here. 28, 7 3 210. Okay. 8 1 8, 8 2 is 16, 2 1s 2. Okay. 8 21s 168, 21 2s 42. So 5880, 5880. We are getting the same answer. Okay, friends. Okay, I hope until now each and everyone getting. Okay. Once again, observe this concept. Okay, friends. Just 3 minutes, small break. Again, we back. Welcome back, friends. Okay, next we are finishing this question. Next, here two more points. Number of plane figures, number of solid figures, number of rotations. Okay. Next, we are finishing this question. Number of rotations, these 3 points. Okay. So number of plane figure, number of solid figure, number of rotation. What is the difference? Suppose in your home, okay, tiles. In your home, okay, आपके घर में, so tiles. How many tiles existing? How many tiles possible in our floor? That is depends upon the area of the floor. Okay, suppose area of the floor by each tile area, that is called number of plane figure. Solid figures in a childhood time, okay, chalk piece box. How many chalks are existing? That is depends upon the volume. Solid figure maintain the volume. That's why volume is important. So plane figure maintain the area. That's why area is important. Next, number of rotations. Suppose you have a bike, okay, scooty or what it may be. Exactly 1 kilometer completed. How can bike knows? So 1 kilometer is completed. Now I want to change the number. How can bike knows? It is based on the number of the rotations of the wheel. Okay, number of rotations of the wheel. Okay, now give the conclusion. Observe. Number of plane figures means, okay, so area of the given plane figure, upon area of the required plane figure. Okay, what do you want? Okay, आपको क्या चाहिए? Okay, required plane figure. Number of the solid figure. Number of the solid figure means volume of given, okay, solid figure upon volume of, okay, required solid figure. That is number of pieces meaning. Okay, next, number of rotations. Number of rotations means it is depends upon the how much distance you traveled. Total distance by one wheel on one rotation is completed. One rotation is completed means how much distance covered. One rotation. That means perimeter of the wheel. Okay, so total distance by perimeter of the wheel. Total distance by perimeter of the wheel. Okay, these 3 points. Already we have completed some introduction and these 3 points. Maximum we have another 10 to 20 points only. 10 to 20 points. Then mensuration, anything is also very easy. Okay, friends. Now continue the questions. Observe. Observe this one. Every question, one type of model. Okay, you can remember that model only. Okay, not a number. You can observe, friends. Consider a square sheet. Okay, we are considering one square sheet. Of the side 1 unit. Okay, the sheet is first folded along the main diagonal. This is followed by the fold along its line symmetry, and the resulting folded shape is again folded along the line symmetry. The area of the each face of the final folded shape in the square units is. That is the question. Okay, here don't use the original method. You can observe the logical wise. That's why I'm giving this example. Observe, friends. This is one square. Area of the square sheet, suppose, okay, the area of the square sheet, suppose, the area of the square sheet is 100. Area of the square sheet 100. It is exactly half. Exactly half means area, what happened now? Area is also half. Okay. So the sheet area 100, okay, half means the area is also half. So half means 50. Again half, 25. Again half, okay, 12.5. No need to remember the formulas and everything also. Okay, so complete square sheet. The square sheet is folded exactly horizontal wise again same 50. Suppose you can folded vertical also same 50. Suppose you can rotate it as a diagonal is also same 50 only. There is no change. Okay, so it can folded means the area should be off. Okay, first of all, what is the area of the square? What is here side is 1 unit, so area is also 1. First diagonally folded, so off, so 1 by 2. Again line symmetry wise folded, again off, 1 by 2 again off means what is the value? 1 by 4. Again off, 1 by 4 again off, so 1 by 8. So answer 1 by 8 is the answer, friends. Okay, 1 by 8. Are you getting the concept? So we know the formulas very well. That's why I want to apply the formula. Okay, you know the very well. Okay, not a problem. But in examination point of view, we need job. They need answer. Okay, bus. Okay, that's why you can think sometimes logically also. Okay, no friends. Next, the volume of a sphere is, okay, the volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the right circular cylinder. The volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the right circular cylinder, and the radius are equal. If the height of the cylinder is h, okay, the diameter of the sphere is d, then which of the following is true? Okay, they given one condition. Come to the answer. So the volume of the sphere, 4/3 pi r cube is equal to the volume of the right circular cylinder volume, pi r square, height is h. Okay, radius should be same. Okay, so here answer. So pi cancel, r square 2 to cancel r. So 4 into r is equal to 3h. 4 into r is equal to 3h. But condition is given in terms of the diameter. Okay, 4r. Okay, so 2 into 2r, that is 2 into d is equal to 3h. 2 into d is equal to 3h. Okay, 2 into d is equal to 3h. 2 into d is equal to 3h. So look at here, option 4. This type of questions, friends. Okay, this type of questions we had. Okay, friends. Next one. Are you getting? I hope each and everybody else are getting. Okay, not only for SSC CGL, yes, previous students also can observe. Okay, so the same concepts repeated in our coming examination. Okay, now next, observe. Last year SSC CGL bit. So the area of the tabletop in the shape, okay, the tabletop in the shape of the equilateral triangle is, so area is given, okay, area is given 9√3. What is the length of the each side of the table? Each side of the table. The table is equilateral triangle. So √3 by 4. √3 by 4, a square is equal to, so already given 9√3. √3 cancel. So a square is equal to 4 9s 36. So a is equal to what happened, friends? 6. So what is the value? 6. Option D. Okay. So this type of question. Got it, all of you? Next. The number of spherical balls of the radius 2 cm, radius, you can concentrate, radius 2 cm, that can be made from the sphere of radius 6 cm. Okay, sphere. Okay, they mentioned sphere. Sphere. Okay, sphere. Observe. So volume of the given figure by volume of the required figure. Okay, volume of the sphere is volume, sphere volume. So 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 pi cancel, r cube, r1 suppose you can assume. So big one, 6. Okay, so 6 into 6 into 6. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 3s, 2 3s, 2 3s. Okay, 3 3 3. So then answer, friends, 27. So 27 pieces. Okay, we are getting 27 balls. Okay, this type of question. That's why given the information before, like. So number of solid figures is equal to volume of the given solid figure by volume of the required solid figure. Suppose they are asking the plane figures. Plane figures having area. So area of the plane figure by area of the required plane figure. What do you want? So the tile is become a, suppose the tile is become a maybe square, maybe rectangle, maybe circle, maybe triangle, what it may be. Depends upon the shape only. Okay, number of the plane figure means, so area of the given figure by area of the required plane figure. Okay, solid figure means volume of the given figure by volume of the required solid figure. That is the concept. Okay, friends, next. You can observe this question. Next, a paper is in a square sheet. Okay, a paper is in a square form whose one side is 20 centimeter. Two semicircles are drawn on its opposite sides as a diameter. Opposite sides as a diameter. Okay, observe. If these semicircles are cut down, what is the area of the remaining part? This type of questions, friends. Okay, we had almost based on the previous questions, based on the last time I observed from last 5-6 years I observed the papers. Okay, based on this type of questions, 4 questions given again. Okay, paper folded, what is the remaining part area? This type of questions they given. Okay, friends, observe clearly. A paper is in a square. A paper is in a square format. Look at, friends, square. Next, 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. Okay, two semicircles are drawn on its opposite sides as a diameter. Okay, opposite sides as a diameter. Okay, opposite sides as a diameter. Two semicircles drawn. Okay, two semicircles done. Next point, observe the next point. On its opposite sides as a diameter. If these semicircles are cut down, okay, removed, what is the area of the remaining part? What is the area of the remaining part? Simply logic, friends. The complete square area minus that semicircle's area. Bus, completed concept. So square area 20 square minus, okay, here I have two semicircles. So two semicircles, 2 into pi r square by 2. So 2 to cancel. 400 minus, so pi. What is the radius? Okay, the side is assumed as a diameter. The side is a diameter. They mentioned clearly here. The two semicircles are drawn on its opposite sides as a diameter. So this is diameter. I want radius. Radius means 10 and 10. Okay, pi r square. So 10 square. So then answer 400 minus 100 pi. This is the concept, friends. Are you getting? This type of concepts also 4 times given in SSC CGL. Okay, observe the concepts, okay, no? Observe the concepts, each and everything. 400 minus 100 pi. 400 minus 100 pi. So option A. Got it, friends? Next. Okay, this is one model. Area is given, otherwise volume is also given. The length of breadth to height to some ratio is given. Length of breadth to height they are given in some ratio. Or area is given, length of breadth to some ratio is given. Then what is the length of what is the breadth? Otherwise what is length, what is breadth, what is height? This type of questions. Okay, very easy. Observe. The area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. So what is the parallelogram area formula? L into B. Or B into H, you can assume anywhere also, is 216 square meter. And its base and altitudes, okay, base and altitudes are in the ratio. So this is B, this is H, altitude. In the ratio 3:2. Then the length of the altitude is, okay, length means altitude, length. So B into H. So immediately 3x and 2x you can assume. So 6x square is equal to 216. So x square is equal to 36. Then x is equal to what happened, friends? 6. X is equal to 6. I'm getting x value 6. But what is the requirement? The length of the altitude. Altitude means 2 into 6, 12. So option B is the answer, friends. Okay, this is the one model. So area is given, otherwise volume is also given. So volume L, B, H, or A cube, what it may be. Okay, pi r square, what it may be. Okay, so their ratio is given and volume is given, the ratio is given, they're asking the one variable. This is one type of model. Okay, friends, are you getting everyone? I hope each and everybody is also getting, our old students also getting the concepts, I think. Okay, same information useful in coming examination. Okay, next. Here observe. Previous question already I mentioned, you remember the point, previous question. So square, okay, the square is given, area of the square is given, the breadth is 1/6 of the side, the breadth is 1/3 of the side is given. So what is the total cost requirement? In the same way, here observe the question. A garden is in a square shape. Okay, a garden is a square shape. If a wire is put on all its sides, okay, wire is put on all its sides like this, okay. Expenditure is 400 rupees at the rate of the 1 rupee per meter, okay, per meter, just for meter, it taken 1 rupee. This is not a area, so perimeter here. Okay, so complete wire is taken 400 meters wire. So 400 meters wire means, okay, so 1 rupee per meter. So 400 meters perimeter. So perimeter. So what is the perimeter? 4 into A. Okay, so what is the perimeter? 4 into A is equal to 400. Okay, 400. So A is equal to what happened? 100. So side is equal to 100. Okay, side is equal to 100. So side is equal to 100. What is the requirement then? What is the area of the garden? What is the area of the garden? So square shape. Square shape means A square, 100 into 100. So area, A square, 100 into 100. So total 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Okay, friends. This type of questions we had. Okay, previous question, 1 square meter, okay, 1 square centimeter rate is given. What is the total? That means area into that cost. But here circumference, so perimeter cost is given. So 1 meter is equal to 1 rupee. So 1 meter, 1 rupee, 400 meters. 400 meters means 400. So the perimeter is 400. Suppose here rate is changed. Rate is changed means 400 with that rate. Then we are getting the perimeter. Okay, so 4A is equal to 400. 4A is equal to 400. A is equal to 100. Area, A square, 100 and 100. Okay, 4 zeros. Next. Okay, now. Next one. Look at here. A semicircle is constructed on each side of the square. Okay, a semicircle is constructed on each side of the square. Length 2 meters. Find the area of the whole figure. Find the area of the whole figure. Okay, previously just okay, we are discussing this model. So area of the whole figure after removing what is the remaining part area. This type of concept, friends. Okay, a semicircle is constructed on each side of the square. Each side of the square. So square, square, semicircle constructed. Okay, semicircle constructed. What is the area of the whole figure? Simply same type of the semicircle only. So 4 semicircles. So square area plus that 4 semicircles area. Okay, square area. So side is a 2. Okay, square area. So square area plus that 4 semicircle area. Okay, that 4 semicircle area. So square area, 2 square value. So 2 square plus. Okay, so 4 into pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. Okay, so 2 square value 4 plus 2 2s are cancel. Radius, what is the radius? So the complete is called diameter. Diameter is 2, radius means 1 only. Radius is 1 only. Okay, so 2 pi r square, so 1 square. So simply answer 4 plus 2 pi. 4 plus 2 pi. Okay, 4 plus 2 pi. So option 1. Okay, this type of questions we had, friends. Got it, everybody? Next, once have a look, friends, for this example. Okay, have a look. Next, a cardboard is in the shape of the square. Okay, a cardboard is in the shape of the square whose sides are 10 centimeter from the each corner. Okay, whose side is 10 centimeter. A cardboard sheet side is a 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter, friends. So a cardboard is in the shape of the square and whose side is a 10 centimeter. Look at, friends, 10 centimeter. 10 no 10 no 10 10 10 10. Okay, then what is the concept next? From the each, okay, from its each corner, a small square of the 3 centimeter. Small square of the 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter is cut down and the corner is the folded such that open box is made. Open box is made. Okay, open box is made. Okay, open box. So suppose the sides 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. You can fold open like this. We are getting one box. Okay. So then what is the requirement? The volume of the open box. Okay, volume of the open box. Volume means what is the meaning? Area of the base and also height, into height. So here, this 3 centimeter you have removed. So 3 plus 3 removed. So what is the remaining distance? 4. Here also 4. Okay, height, that 3 folded like this. So height is 3. So volume, simply volume, base, what is the area? Length into breadth into height. So length 4, breadth 4, height 3. Okay, 16. So 16 into 3, 3 16s, 48. So what is the option then, friends? Option C. Option C is the answer. Are you getting everything? So I covered all models also, all areas for SSC CGL, for all competitive examinations also, for coming examination also useful to you, friends. Okay, our old students. Next. If the radius of the cylinder, okay, if the radius of the cylinder is doubled and the height is halved, what is the ratio between the new volume? What is the ratio between the new volume to the previous? What is the ratio between the new volume to the previous? So new volume, so radius is a double of the cylinder. So the cylinder pi r square h, okay, volume. Pi r square h. What is the ratio between the new volume to the previous? Okay, new volume to the previous, compared with the previous. So pi radius, okay, the radius of the cylinder is double. So double, 2 into r square. Height is halved. Okay, next. The height is halved. What is the ratio between the new volume to the previous? Is to previous is pi r square h. Okay, so pi cancel. R square cancel. Height to height cancel. Okay, r square means it is 4 by 2 is to 1, 2. So what is the answer then? 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Which option? Option 3 is the right answer, friends. Pi r square. R square means 2 into r. So 2r square, that is 4r square. 4 is there. That 2 is also here. 2 is to 1 is the final answer, friends. Are you getting everybody? Sure? Okay. So all models also you can observe, friends, our old students also, the same thing is repeated. The same concepts, each and every point I covered. Okay. You are getting a benefit for examination. Next. Last problem, friends. Last concept. Okay. Almost total 20 questions and introduction. So this introduction and these 20 questions information is very useful for coming examination, for all competitive examination also. Okay. For ACE world students also, it is very useful, friends. Last question. Concentrate. A reservoir is supplied water by a pipe 6 centimeter in a diameter. 6 centimeter is a diameter. Okay, 6 centimeter is a diameter. So the completely diameter of the cylinder. That pipe means it is looking like a cylinder only. So that is 6 centimeter. Next, how many pipes of the 3 centimeter? How many pipes of the 3 centimeter diameter would discharge the same quantity? Okay, same quantity. Supposing the velocity of the water is same. Okay, the velocity of the water is same. The velocity of the water is same. Suppose a small example, the first pipe. A reservoir is supplied water by a pipe 6 centimeter diameter. 6 centimeter diameter. How many pipes 3 centimeter diameter would discharge the same quantity? I have one pipe, very lengthy pipe. 1 minute opened. I am getting some quantity of the water. Second time I have 3 centimeter diameter pipes. 3 centimeter small pipes. I want in a same 1 minute same quantity of the water. What is the meaning here? Volume should be equal. So this type of small pieces, this type of small pipes, how many pipes required? That is the question, friends. Are you getting the concept? Okay. From the reservoir, very big cylinder, it output is, suppose in output of in a 1 minute 100 liters. I have small pipes, but in a 1 minute I want the same 100 liters. But how many pipes are existing? How many small pipes existing? That is the question. Are you getting, friends? Then simply volume should be equal. Okay, volume. So already I told number of the solid figures is equal to, okay, volume of the given figure by volume of the required solid figure. So your volume. So this is diameter, friends. D is equal to 6. D is equal to 6. So R is equal to 3. Okay. So pi R square H. Okay, cylinder. It is a cylinder only. Pi R square H. The height is same height. Unit to same 1 unit. So pi also common. Okay. So here radius 3 into 3. And another pipe. Okay. Another pipe discharged same quantity. Supposing the velocity of the water is the same. So what is the radius here? Diameter is 3 centimeter. Diameter is 3 centimeter. Diameter is 3 centimeter. So radius 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Got it now? Easily you understand? Okay, 3 by 1.5, 3 by 1.5, 2 into 2. Then answer total how many pipes you are getting? So 4 pipes. Total how many pipes you are getting? 4 pipes. So 4 small pipes. 4 small pipes, we are getting the same quantity of the output. Okay, now friends, 4. This type of questions we had, friends. Okay, completed. Almost, friends, for ACE previous students, you can observe. So almost we got 20 concepts, mensuration complete introduction, and yesterday plane geometry. Plane geometry and mensuration complete information. You can observe the video. You are getting, for your examination also, it will help to you, friends. Okay. Got it, friends? Thank you. All the best.